Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look at exclusive guest from other part of the world. It's the Ford Escort mk4 XR3i from Brazil. Mk4 Ford Escort, or codenamed ERIC86, is a facelifted and simplified update of Mk3 European Escort that was made from 1986 up to 1994 in various parts of the world. If in Europe it was produced up to 1990, when Mk5 was released, in Southern America, due its huge popularity, it was still produced for few years more as Ford Hobby. But anyway, the most desirable variation was alcohol-powered XR3i. What makes this model special, it is its amazing blue metallic color. Here we go, a quite unique scale model from South America, with its special combination of color and alloy wheels. Hope that you liked this video. Write in comments what variation of Mk4 XR3i you like more.